Google Pixel phone hacks. Here's how to get quick share on Pixel tips easily. Since the cobweb of the internet is flooded with hacks and workaround methods to get your hands on quick share on Google Pixel devices, barely a handful of them really work. And this failure behind those tricks not working can be attributed to the limited rollout of the quick share, as Google's still working to release quick share widely. But stop fretting, mates, as GAT Insider has got your back. As our today's talk will reflect on how you can get quick share on your Pixel phone using the Pixel Tips app. Here's how you can get quick share on Pixel phone. Bear in mind that if your device hasn't received quick share yet, nearby share will still be there in the quick settings tile, system share sheet, and in settings, go to connected devices and go to connection preferences. You can pull quick share on your Pixel phone by using the chat and share collection on the Pixel Tips app. But if you have a Pixel Fold or tablet, use tools instead collection of chat and share. In the collection, keep swiping until you see share with devices nearby. Tap on it to see a system selector to choose between nearby share and quick share. Now select quick share. After that, new settings page will open and nearby share will disappear from your device. This workaround means that quick share is already in your Pixel devices and just requires activation. To ensure that quick share is there, ensure that you're on the latest version of Google Play services.